Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a quick review on the roborock F25 Ultra Steam. We're going to clean up this big mess here with it. Okay, we're going to clean up this big mess. We got some muddy paw prints, some milk, cereal. We're going to try it in steam mode first. Now it does have the blue LED lights up the front. That display is going to tell us when it's time. The steam is ready. And this will take a couple minutes to build up the steam. Actually, it's going to take about 35 to 40 seconds, so not too long. We can already see there's starting to be some steam come out. Wow. We're at 81%. I could probably start cleaning with it now, but I'm going to wait. 100%. Okay, here we go. It's very easy to roll because it has self-driving wheels. Wow, they did a good job. And I'm not using chemicals when it's in steam mode. It's just using water. And it does have, I'm not sure if the auto detect works, but it's very easy to maneuver. Wow. It's doing a great job. I'm just using steam. I've got two other modes of operation. I could use hot water. That will start to use some of the chemical, I think. That floor is clean. Let's try some kitty litter. Hot water mode. All right, it's doing a good job with the kitty litter. Wow, kitty litter is extremely hard to pick up with these wet dry floor mops, and it's doing a great job. So now it's not in steam mode, it's in hot water mode. So it's putting down around 185 degree hot water on the mop roller. Now let's go to auto mode. That's sponge mode. Auto mode, it's just using room temperature water. And look, the floor is clean because the dirt detection sensor, oh, there it's going off a little bit. So now it's going to ramp up suction until it gets the floor clean. Ramps up suction and liquid. I am extremely happy with this roborock F25 Ultra Steam. I can put it on the dock, do a self-cleaning, and empty out the dirty water tank. This thing is amazing. I absolutely love it.